The Windy White preset. Let's start. Open the Lightroom Mobile App. Select an image to edit. Go to the Lights panel. Set exposure to -0.26. Contrast, -3. Highlights, -20. Shadows, 100. Whites, 39. Blacks, -49. Then click on Curves, located at the top right. Then follow the patterns. Not necessarily perfectly identical curves. You may play a little, depending on your preference and your image. Let's open curves to a black image to see it clearly. For white, follow this pattern, with 5 dots. For red, a wavy curve, with 6 dots. Green, with 5 dots. Blue, with 6 dots. Click on the Colors panel. Set temperature to 14. Tint, 2. Vibrance, 21. Saturation, -28. Now go to Color Mix. At the top button, select the red swatch. Saturation, 14. Luminance, -14. Select Orange swatch. Set hue, 3. Saturation, -25. Luminance, -28. Select Yellow swatch. Set hue, -32. Saturation, -100. Luminance, 100. Select Green swatch. Set hue, 42. Saturation, -74. Luminance, -100. Select Aqua swatch. Set hue, 74. Saturation, -12. Luminance, -36. Select Blue swatch. Set hue, -67. Saturation, -79. Luminance, 48. Select Violet swatch. Set hue, 0. Saturation, -100. Luminance, 94. Select Purple swatch. Set hue, -20. Luminance, 17. Now go to Effects panel. Adjust clarity, 9. Dehaze, -2. Select split tone on the upper right corner. Set highlights, hue 49. Saturation, 4. Select Details panel. Adjust sharpening, 30. Detail, 40. Masking, 25. Noise reduction, 15. Color noise reduction, 30. Smoothness, 100. You can now copy the settings. Then, apply it to your images. Just click on Paste Setting. Then you're done. Subscribe to the Olden Post channel and press the bell icon to watch our latest videos.